Hey guys, I'm James, Master Instructor of the Dean King Training Institute here in Southern California. And well, 2020 has finally come to an end. What a year it has been. The Dean King was over at SEMA this year. We were at Mobile Tech Expo. That was a great show. There was a couple of concerts that I got to that were freaking amazing. Oh no, wait, those didn't happen. Those were all canceled, that's right. Well, again, what a year. It's been crazy with the whole, virus going around and everything, but I'm happy to say that the Dean King has still been open. We've been operating. We've had tons of students come through this year. We've had a lot of veterans since we've been, approved to start accepting the post 9/11 GI Bill. We went through and released our new tool set in partnership with Dentcraft Tools and B&D. We have a new light that's coming out along with, from Stucky. What else? We've got a lot of new accessories and stuff that we've been adding on. Our ceramic coating and our paint correction class has taken off. We've done a lot. It's been a great year for us. We've stayed healthy here for the most part. We try to keep as clean and as safe as possible. We hope that everybody out there has done the same. Again, it's been a great year. We're looking forward to 2021 and doing some even bigger things. We can't wait to get back out there and see you guys at the shows. Have you guys come through here and take a look at our school, take tours of our school and some new training that we have to offer. We want to just say, we wish you guys a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year, and we hope that you guys continue to check us out next year. Check out our videos, share our videos, continue to post and share all of our stuff on Facebook and Instagram and everything, and keep checking in with us. Comments, questions, make sure you guys reach out to us. You guys can always give us a call at 1-800-304-3464. You can look us up on the web at thedinking.com, Facebook, the Dean King Training Institute, Instagram, official Dean King. And again, if you have any questions or comments or anything, you can drop us a line right here. Make sure you continue to follow us, share us, tell all your friends about us and everything, and we'll be seeing you guys in 2021.